So as I told you, there are different yogasana for different trimester, and there are some yogasana which are common to all the trimesters also. So it's not like the thing with you can do in third trimester, you can't do it in second. But as we know, the purpose of all trimester is different, right? So we'll do those asanas which are specific to that purpose. Okay. So for first trimester, what we are going to do is, as I once again I'll recall you the purpose of that. The purpose was to increase your stability, strength, and right, flexibility, to prepare your body for more weight gain that is going to happen in second and third trimester, to prevent miscarriages, prevent morning sickness, right? So this was the purpose. So for that first one that we are going to do is tree pose. Okay, so mostly the asana that we will be doing in first trimester is the initial pose is asana that we used to do, right? Mostly of standing asana, because standing asana will produce more stability and it will strengthen your lower body. Okay, so for tree pose, again, whenever you are doing this yoga asana, it's always better either to stay near wall when you are doing any of the balancing pose, right? Or either near window, or you can like take support of chair or anything, right? And if you're doing like right now, I can support you, but otherwise like this, you can ask. So place bend your knee and place your heel near the perineum. You can also place it near your knee. So whichever level is comfortable, right? Don't force to place it up only. Okay, right? Then inhale, raise both your arms up in Namaskar position, and then maintain. So in prenatal yoga, any of the asana has to be maintained only for 15 to 30 seconds. Okay. Don't overpressure yourself for 1 or 2 minutes. It is unlike normal yoga where you maintain it for 45 seconds to 1 minute. Here it is only 15 to 30 seconds, and don't hold your breath. Then exhale and relax. Okay. And repeat it on another side. So you have to place your hand on your waist like this, and then support. Okay, relax, and do it on another side. So as I told, and yeah, this pose also helps in de-addiction, right? So even pregnant women have addiction, smoking, alcohol. So it is not advisable to consume alcohol or smoking or any drugs in pregnancy. So it also helps in de-addiction. It improves your concentration, alertness. It improves your stability. It strengthens your lower body. Exhale and relax. Again, as I told, 15 to 30 seconds is recommended time. But again, don't force. If she is able to do for 10 seconds, that is also fine. Okay. And yeah, we don't do 2 to 3 repetitions of every asana. We just do it once or twice. That's it.